How are you, my friends, in analysis? I hope you are doing well. My name is Boniface Simpoli. I'm working with National Bureau of Statistics Tanzania as a statistician and data scientist. Today, we have a session today about how to convert a string variable to numeric variable by using a STATA software. Our sessions will use the survey datasets from Cameroon Population HIV Impact Assessment Survey. FIA of 2027-28. As we can see that we are already done with some computations and filtration, and we reach up with this data at the household level. So here we're going to see how to convert some variable which are in strings to a numerical type of value. First, our sessions will start on how to know whether the variable is a string or is a numeric. The first things which you can use to recognize whether a variable is a strings or numeric is color of the variable in browse viewer. As you can see that let's browse these two variables and let's look on their color. Yeah, you can see. Yeah, for a string variable, its value are in red color, as you can see. For household HIV viral loads, while for other variable like household HIV status are in black, it means that these ones are in numeric, while these ones are in string. That's the first way. The second one, it's through looking on variable type. Here you can see that HIV viral household viral load level, when you look on type of variable are in strings, while when you look on other variable like household wealth are in float. So through these descriptions of the variable, you can easily know or identify whether the variable is strings or numeric. Okay, before continuing with our core sessions, let me familiarize first with a different type of these variables. Here we need to know which variable are contained in a numeric variable and which variable are in strings. You can find that we have several types of these variables. In the numeric one, you may find that some variable are most of them are in float. Some variable are in a double. Most of the numeric value are in float format, and they categorized to be either numeric or strings based on storage formats. Some variables are stored in most of a number variable which are in number. Most of them are in numeric format, while other variable which are either in word or mix up words and number are in string type. So let's continue with our session of today. So far so good. We need to look how to convert some of our variables from strings to numeric. Okay, let's first browse one of our string variable. This one, household value load level. Yeah, you can see in red color implies that in string types there is the mix up. Some are in words, others are in number. So our intention here is to convert this variable household viral load level from a string type to numeric type and convert these values which are in words toward its numeric value. Okay, let's tabulate first to look the values which comprised in household viral load level variable. This is our tabulations. You can see that we have these values. So we need to convert them. These are viral load level to the positive households, head of households, positive head of households. These are the viral load level. As you can see that we have two values. First is T and D, which means that here viral load level was not detected. So we need to convert it to 0 so as help us during further analysis. So we need to record this T and D to 0. Second, we have this value which indicate viral load level for 6 head of household who was positive during the survey. The fund have viral load level less than 40. So again here we need to make it to be a value so as it help us in further analysis as okay. First, we need to replace this value viral load not detected to 0. Our command here, okay, I already create some of commands. Let view, so to simplify and to save time. Yeah, no, this one. Where are they? Okay. Look here, we have I already create those commands which is needed here. Yeah, we have all of those commands here. Okay. Yeah, got about this file. The file where each file is a specific file. This one. Okay. So the first things we need to replace this variable with the value t and d to be 0. So I'm going to copy this command and I paste here to our command window. Yeah, there, yeah, okay. So we can see 181 will change made. So we have changed this frequency 101 of value load not detected to 0. As you can see, once I browse our variable, yeah, okay, no, not browse. Once I tab, the tabulation will provide simply the values of our variable. Okay, yeah. Yeah, oh, really nice. You can see now we have 0. I mean, for value load not detected, we assign it as 0 level of value load. Okay, we have left with the one value. Let's change it to for those households for those head of household who found to have value load less than 40. It means we need to assign it to be 40 so as to simplify us during our further analysis. We have our command here. Here we mean that for those value load with assigned the value of this one, it should be replaced with the 40. So this is clear. We do the same. We do the same. Then we run it. So we found that little 60 really change made. So once we tab again to see, once we tab again to look on our variable, wow! Now again, our variable change. Our variable change where that 40 is. Okay, it's somewhere else. Okay, we can look where it's 6. So yeah, here. 40 is here now. So we have value, but we have value in numeric, but still the whole variable are in string type. As I told you earlier that the type of a variable to be a strings or to be a numeric, it depends on a storage type. So let's look by browse again our variable. I mean our household viral load level. Here you can see, wow, now it is in number, but still in red color. As I told you, the color of the variable it indicates the type. This is a red color, so it is a string type. So we need to change this one toward a numeric type, so as either for our start to capture the indices or the value of variables. So to do this, it is very simple. We have our command here, which will we had to string our variable, then to replace with the same variable. This is our command. We copy it and paste here. Just easy. Yeah, okay, nice. You can find that we already strings variable. So once you strings variable, what happen is those values with blank, I mean, as you can see that before we have a blank value for most of households, indicated that those households were not positive during the test of the head of household. So there are no any viral load level values. So once you do strings, you change that variable to numeric. You means those blank changed to missing value. So for now, once I browse it again to see, I mean color of our new variable generated, I mix up with other variable, you can see all of them are in black color, indicated that the value is already changed from string to numeric one. And I can see now I can summarize my variable as not possible in strings, but now in numeric one you can summarize it and you can find a mean, standard deviations, minimum and maximum value. Thank you for watching our tutorial. Welcome again for other further tutorial concerning